It is said that energy like people enters your home through the main door. An entryway designed following the principles of Vastu can facilitate the movement of good energy and bring prosperity into your home. Vastu considers the element of nature with man and material to postulate a set of guidelines for home design. So here are some main door Vastu tips for those interested in Vastu for home entrance. Tip number 1. Direction of the main door. The main door should always be in the north, northeast, east, southeast towards south or northwest towards west, as these directions are considered auspicious. Avoid having the main door in the south, southwest, northwest in the north side or southeast in the east side directions. A door in the south or southwest can be corrected by using a lead metal pyramid and lead helix. A door in the northwest can be corrected with a brass pyramid and a brass helix, while a door in the southeast can be corrected by using a copper helix. Tip number 2 is about size and material. So the main door should be bigger than any other door in the house and should open in a clockwise manner. Avoid having 3 doors in a line parallel to the main door, as this is considered as a serious Vastu defect and can affect happiness in the home. And if we talk about the materials, wood is considered to be the most auspicious material for the entrance door. In fact, if your house entrance is not facing the directions prescribed by the Vastu, then adding wood and metal can correct the dosha. Tip number 3 is the nameplate. So it's not enough to just own a house. In order to make it your home, you must imprint upon it. A nameplate is one of those finer nuances that separate a household from a house. It personalizes your home and gives a name to it. So when the positive vibes enter your home, they are focused on the well-being of your family. Tip number 4. Do not underestimate the doormat and the threshold. So it is prudent for every home to have a raised threshold and doormat just outside the main entrance. The slightly raised threshold acts as a barrier to negative energies and they bounce away from the entrance itself. A doormat might seem like a functional accessory for a home, but it is much more than that. When you dust your feet on the doormat before entering, you are leaving all the bad vibes outside along with the dirt. Tip number 5. Mirrors to reflect prosperity. Mirrors are double-edged swords in terms of Vastu. They reflect energy, be it bad or good. A mirror must never be placed directly opposite to the main entrance. We don't want all the good energy to be reflected away from the home. However, it is advisable to place a mirror at a right angle to the door. This will allow the mirror to reflect positivity into the house. Tip number 6. Avoid corners. Ideally, the main door of a house should never be placed exactly at the corner of a room. From the design perspective, it seems prodigal because placing things within a room becomes difficult if the entrance occupies a corner. As per the principles of Vastu, the corners must always have empty space to inculcate wellness in the environment of the house. Tip number 7. Create a well-lit entrance. So positivity, especially with regard to a space, is all about perception. Imagine how you perceive a home when its entrance is dark and dingy. It has an off-putting effect on people and energies. Thus, the entrance of your home should be brightly lit, preferably with warm lights to exude warmth and happiness. Tip number 8. Go green for good luck. So beauty attracts positivity, and if that beauty happens to be natural, then there is nothing like it. Greenery is synonymous with wellness and harmony. It transcends different kinds of philosophies and approaches to harness positivity, such as Zen, Feng Shui, and house entrance Vastu. So having plants, vines, and succulents inside and outside the main door is a great way to establish peace within your four walls. However, avoid thorny plants or cactus as they do not have a pleasing countenance. Tip number 9. Passage to prosperity. As per Vastu entrance principles, an ideal home should begin with a narrow passage and then open up into a wide space. Hence, homes that have foyers are considered more auspicious as per Indian philosophy. The foyer should be designed and decorated as per the above stated mandates. So this is it, and of course it is not practically possible to follow all these principles word by word, and all the builders do not offer Vastu compliant homes, and you might already be living in a home that was not strictly built as per these principles. However, certain corrective measures are always within your reach. You can definitely keep the hinges of the main door oiled so that it doesn't creak, and place a water body or a water fountain in front of your home to absorb all the negative energy. Thank you friends for watching this video right till the end, and please like and share this video, and also subscribe to our channel for watching more such videos. Thank you and happy watching.